If this reached you right now, at this exact second, in this exact mood, scrolling through everything else that could have shown up on your screen, that's not random. Some things only find you when Allah wants to remind you that He's pleased with you, even when you can't feel it, even when you've been too tired, too distracted, or too doubtful to notice. You've been calling it luck, or timing, or the algorithm, the reminder that showed up right when you needed it, the ayah that answered a question you never said out loud, but Allah says in the Quran. And He is subtle, acquainted with all things. Nothing reaches you by accident. Allah is subtle in how He reminds His servants that they haven't been forgotten. A message, a video, a verse, arriving at the exact moment your heart was quiet enough to receive it. That's not coincidence. That's closeness. You might think Allah couldn't possibly be pleased with you right now, not after the sins, not after the prayers you missed, not after how far you feel from where you used to be. But that thought itself is the trick. Shaitan wants you to believe distance is permanent, so you stop reaching back. The truth is, Allah's mercy has never once measured you by your worst day. If He wasn't pleased with the idea of you returning, this reminder wouldn't have found you tonight. Think about how many times this has already happened. A stranger's words, a random ayah, a video like this one, landing in your hands at the exact moment you needed it most and didn't even ask for it. That's not the algorithm being clever. That's Allah being gentle with someone He hasn't given up on. He didn't have to let this reach you. He wanted to. Stop scrolling past the nudges like they mean nothing. Say it right now, quietly, honestly. Ya Allah, I feel this, and I'm grateful you haven't let go of me. Let this moment turn into 2 rakats instead of 2 more minutes of scrolling. A sign is only useful if you actually respond to it. This reached you because Allah is happy with you, and it's time you let that sink in. Comment, I feel it, if this found you at the right moment today, and if someone you know needs to feel seen by Allah right now, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.